I am sitting in a 2003 Honda Civic. Takes your high security key. It's a Mega Monster 13 chip. We're going to be programming one key. All keys are lost. You're going to take your standard cable and your green adapter. You see down here, an OBD2. That's a green adapter plugged in there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put our key in the ignition, turn it to on, go to diagnostics, North America, go to Honda, Civic, key coding, I'll pick an 03. This is a mobilizer number 9. Ignition's on. Let's count our keys here. Key off. Excuse me. Key on. 4 keys in there, so we're just going to do one. Program key, 1 key, ignition off. On, off, and you can tell this key's going to program because the security light will blink really fast. Turn it on, and after you turn it on, the security light will blink real slow, and then it'll go out. There it went. Off. On. Yes, the security light is out. Off. On. Okay, procedure is complete. We'll count our keys again, just for verification purposes. Okay, there's 1 key program. We're done here. Take our machine, come in here, unplug, take our key out, put our key in, look at our dash, turn it on, green light's out, the vehicle starts. When you take your key out, the light will flash, I believe 5 times, then it'll go out. That's it.